Hello everyone, today I got a special video for you for all the wedding guests out there. We have a beautiful and elegant collection of fabrics just waiting for you. Let's go have a look. Here we have a stunning looking fabric organza in red color with silver booty work that you can see all over the fabric. We can use this as a great veil that can be used in your wedding or for the sake of a dupatta, or you can also match it with a classic red sari and a blouse piece with this kind of fabric. Moving to our next fabric. Here we have a very pretty looking dusty rose pink tissue fabric with bead work all over it in silver gold color that you can see. This would be a must have for anybody who wants to customize a lehenga or a proper blouse piece for a more grand look in your sangeet. Moving to our next fabric. Here we have a red colored bandhani which would be great for a wedding collection with these weave motifs of deer and these bandhani weaves that you can see all over the fabric. Again, we can use this as a gorgeous wedding collection piece. Moving to our next fabric. This is one of our divine pieces of collection. Here we have a georgette fabric with a multi-colored embroidery all over the fabric and sequins that you can see that just makes the whole fabric really shine and glimmer. And another interesting part about this fabric is the contrast border that you can see here with the fabric and the mirror work that makes it look even more stunning than you can imagine. We can use this in a really grand sangeet or for a really nice dinner party as a wedding special. Moving to our next fabric. If your wedding is themed in a pink shade or you have something more sweet and subtle in your mind, we have a great ikat collection of fabrics in our store, one of which is this beautiful fabric that you can see here, and we have a multi-work weave all over the fabric which makes it look even more gorgeous. Moving to our next fabric. Here we have a gorgeous Kanjivaram with Rudraksh gold motifs and peacock gold motifs all over the fabric. This can be used as a great blouse piece or a lehenga set for a great wedding again. Moving to our next fabric. Here we have a beautiful hot pink Banarasi with silver weaving all over it, making it look really pretty with this gorgeous floral border all over it, and this is what makes it even more special. This can be again worn for like your engagement or reception if you want to stand out. Our next fabric here is weaving and gold weaving, which again makes the entire fabric shine and glimmer. This would be a great lehenga that you can wear or like a nice sari that you could probably put on or drape to have an elegant look for your wedding. Moving to our next fabric, we have a pink colored tissue fabric with a beautiful embroidery all over it with flowers, leaves and even a smaller flowers and leaves all over it, which makes it really pretty and sweet looking all over it. We can wear this in an engagement or for any pre-wedding parties. Moving to our next fabric here. This is a beautiful red color, vibrant looking fabric, which is a raw silk fabric. Here we have a gorgeous raw silk fabric in a vibrant red color with meenakari work all over it. As you can see here, we have green color and yellow color as well, which makes it even more contrasting with sequins all over it. And this is a gorgeous embroidery that you can probably put on as a lehenga or a sari or a blouse piece even for your wedding season. This video. For more such videos, like and comment, and if you don't want to miss out on our videos, please subscribe to our channel Fabrics by Singhania. And if you want to shop more collection, you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1 or shop online at Fabrics by Singhania. Thank you.